everyone, midlife here, happy anniversary, real VR fishing. Can't believe it's been 6 years. So, to celebrate, Real VR Fishing have created a little event. So we have a number of new animations as well as the 6th anniversary. Instead of being on a boat on the back of a whale, we do have firework gun, edible cake, and number of new species of fish. So 6th anniversary fish there. So we've got a luna fish, we've got a leaf fish, and we've got a fire carp, and anniversary aurora fish. Those are the ones I've caught so far. Quite cool that we're on the back of a whale. Funky music. We have a bite. I think that's bigger than one of the special fish. Oh, it is a special. Didn't think it was. Felt a bit too big. Whoa! Oh, that is a Back to the Future boat. How cool is that? Very cool. Bye-bye. That's cool. So not only have we got the celebrations in the event area, but if we go to South Korea, and I think it's, yeah, we have a special location there as well. Woohoo! Got a giant float 6. Oh, fireworks. Wonder if that means we can catch special fish here as well. I've not been to this map for ages. It's the first ever map you'll play in the game when you buy it and start it from afresh. It looks like it's moving. I don't think it's definitely not. I think it's because the sky's moving behind it. As soon as I saw this location, I knew I was going to be hooked. The visuals back 6 years ago, when I first played this, absolutely blew my mind that this could be something that you could play in VR in any game. And 6 years on, it's still amazing me. It's not very big. Have a little bit of a fight. Is it a carp of some sort? Oh, it's mandarin fish. And also, if you go to Japan, part 2, and then location 10, thank you. Thank you, Real VR Fishing. It's still one of the best community. It's still one of the best communities in VR to be a part of. Very supportive, very friendly, and always happy to help. There's a species of fish that I'm struggling to catch. There'll always be someone with some advice and share their experience, much like real fishing, I guess. tiddler, northern whiting. And then if you go to US West, number 8. Nice little brook trout. And then US East. Location 1. Oh, it's holding up a big 6, look. Seagull nearly took my bait. Common octopus. And Europe. Go to France. That's actually, I think it's location 1, F1. With the Eiffel Tower in front of us. Wow, I think that might have been one of the very first real VR fishing logos. So I was looking to see if there's any more surprises. The Eiffel Tower, sponsored by Real VR Fishing. Keep expecting a boat to go past. I know that wouldn't be Oh. A goldfish, really? So the final location is in the Oceania DLC in location 5. Ooh, 6th anniversary. Happy anniversary. Like a shark balloon. Tiny. Look at that thing. Desert Gobi. So that is the celebratory event that's going on from the 24th of September. Celebrating 6 years of real VR fishing. The lodge has been nicely decorated. We've got pictures on the wall of various members of the community who've posted on the Discord on various locations. Just a little look back. So first weekly reward was back on the 1st of the 8th 2021. First achievement was 10th of the 11th 2019. First season reward was 31st of the 10th 2019. That's been ongoing. And the first ocean update was 24th of the 12th 2019. I remember that very well. So we have the large balloons out front. I didn't notice if anything was on the roof. No, nothing's on the roof. So, happy 6th anniversary Real VR Fishing. Here's to many more happy years of fishing in virtual reality. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.